Indian number system and international number system. In Indian number system, we have periods of ones, thousands and lakhs. Ones period have 3 digits, thousands period have 2 digits, similarly lakhs period has 2 digits. But in international number system there is a difference. The first 3 digits are of ones period, next 3 digits are of thousands period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. In Indian number system we have only 2 places for 1000, but in international we have 3 places for 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is the difference. In Indian number system we move like this: 3 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, 3, 2, 2. But in international number system we move like this: 3, 3 and again 3. That's it. 3, 3, 3. We place a comma after every 3 digits. In Indian number system we place a comma after the first period of 3 digits, then 2, 2. This is the difference. Okay, let me revise again. What is the number written on the board? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. 92 is the period of lakhs. 92 lakh, 92 lakh, 53,621, 93 lakh, 53,621. You can understand it very well. 92 lakh 53,621. That's easy. But in international number system, how do we proceed? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. In international number system we don't have lakh, crores. We have million and billion. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So how to write or how to say this number? 9 million. 9 million 200. Remember, we have to say the number written on the thousands period. 253,000. 253,000. This is the place where some students make mistake. So हमें यहाँ गलती नहीं करनी है. इस चीज को अच्छे से समझें. आपको 1000 आपका पीरियड खत्म होने के बाद बोलना है. जब आपका 1000 का पीरियड खत्म होता है तब 253,000. यहां पर भी ऐसा ही था. 92 lakh 53,000. ऐसा ही इंटरनेशनल में है. आपको पहले उस पीरियड में उस पर्टिकुलर 1000 के पीरियड्स में कितने डिजिट लिखे हैं उनको बोलना है. 253,000. Let's repeat again. 9,253,621. I have written the same number in both the number systems. It is written in Indian number system and the same number is written in international number system. You can differentiate 92 lakh, but here 9 million. 92 lakh 53,621, but 9,253,621. This is the difference between Indian number system and international number system. Now we will discuss about the expanded form of large numbers. Okay, let's see. एक बार पीछे रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Is it Indian number system or is it international number system? How can you decide? How can you decide that? अभी मैंने जो बोला था, मैंने कहा 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. कैसे पता चलता है? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, मिलियन. कैसे पता चलता है? Yes, आप लोगों ने पीछे पढ़ा है depending on the periods. There are 3 places, there are 2 places, comma and comma. From here you have to know that whether it is Indian number system or it is international number system, depending on the places in a period. You have to decide. Okay, so in this number, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, it is 28,70,954. How to expand this one? Let's see. Starting from extreme left, there are 2 ways to expand a number. One is we place zeros after the number itself, counting the places. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 6 zeros. Or we can say 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh. It is 20 lakh. या सिंपली क्या कर सकते हैं? नंबर जितने प्लेसेस हैं काउंट कर दीजिए. 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 के पीछे 6 जीरो. या फिर आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं 20 लाख. 20 लाख. दिस वन इज 8 के पीछे 5 जीरो. या कह सकते हैं 8 लाख. 8 लाख. 20 लाख प्लस 8 लाख प्लस 70, because this one is 10,000. So 70,000 plus next is 0. Be careful about this. Next is 0. So this place will be left. We have not written it here. 0 will not be there. 70,000, 0 is left. Next is 954. Let's have a look at the another type of expanded form. We can expand depending on the periods also. Okay, this is the period of lakh. So we can write 28 into 1 lakh. 28 into 1 lakh. 70,000 into, this is a period of 1000. 70 into 1000. 70 into 1000. Next is 950 and 4. 950 and 4. That's it. It is quite simple. In this example, let's have a look. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. How? This is international number system. हमें कैसे पता चला? अभी बताया था. Depending on the commas inserted. Depending on the number of places in every period. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. Okay, in millions period, one place is there. It is 6 million. We have written 6 million. Same जो आपको पहले बताया था. 6 and count the places. There are 6, then 6 zeros. It is 6 million. Here it is 200,000. 200,000. 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 0 left. Leave it. 8, 80, 5, 5 ones. 8 tens, 5 ones. That's it. Let's have a look at another kind. In this, we have periods ones, thousand, millions. Then 6 into 1 million. Are you getting? Yes, 6 into 1 million. 237 into 1000, because this is a period of 1000. 237 into 1000 plus 80 plus 5. That's it.